Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum bearing ribosomes on its surface is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. It gives a rough granular appearance under the electron microscope. They are extensive and continuous with outer membrane of the nucleus. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains two types of glycoproteins, ribofourin 1 and ribofourin 2, which help for the attachment of 60S subunit of 80S ribosomes in eukaryotes. Function: ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis, and thus RER are present in the cells which are actively involved in the protein synthesis and secretion. It provides precursors of enzymes for the formation of lysozymes in Golgi apparatus. It gives rise to SCR. Let's talk about Golgi apparatus. This is our second cell organelle which we are discussing under endomembrane system. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was first observed by Camillo Golgi, and hence this apparatus has its name. It was discovered in 1988. He described it as a densely stained reticular structure present near the nucleus of the cell. Therefore, these were given the name of Golgi bodies after his name. It is present in eukaryotic cells, except in mature sieve tubes of plants, mature arbustus of mammals, sperm cells of bryophytes and pteridophytes, etc. It is also absent in prokaryotic cells. In plants, it is called as dictyosomes, as Golgi apparatus is made up of unconnected units. Structure: there are four parts of Golgi apparatus. They are cisternae, tubules, vesicles, Golgi and vacuoles. Cisternae: these are flattened stack-like structures stacked on one another. There are usually 4 to 8 cisternae present in a stack. These cisternae resemble with smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Cisternae form an extensive network and are arranged near the nucleus in a concentric pattern. The shape, size and number of cisternae may vary in different cells but have a similar organization in one type of cells. Their size may vary from 0.5 micrometers to 1.0 micrometers in diameter. The Golgi cisternae are consequently arranged near the nucleus with distinct convex or the forming phase and concave trans or the maturing phase. The cis and the trans phases of the organelles are entirely different but interconnected. Tubules: these are the small, flat, interconnecting structures arising from the periphery of cisternae due to fenestrations. Vesicles: these are large, rounded sacs present at the edges of cisternae in clusters. These are pinched off from the tubules. These are of two types: smooth vesicles, coated vesicles. Smooth vesicles: these are smooth surface secretory vesicles and contain secretory granules. Coated vesicles: these are rough surface spherical protuberances arising from the tubules of cisternae. Golgi and vacuoles: these are large spherical vacuoles produced at a maturing phase. These are filled with some granular or amorphous substances. Some of them function as lysozymes. Functions: the important functions of Golgi apparatus is to process, package and transport the materials for secretions. The packaged material is delivered either to the intracellular targets, that is within the cell, or secreted to extracellular targets, that is outside the cell. The material to be secreted moves from endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus in the form of transitional vesicles. These vesicles then fuse with the cis phase and move towards the maturing phase of the Golgi apparatus. Therefore, Golgi apparatus is closely associated with endoplasmic reticulum in structure as well as in functional aspects. A number of proteins synthesized by the ribosomes present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are transferred to the Golgi apparatus. These proteins are then modified in cisternae of Golgi apparatus before they are released from its transphase. Golgi apparatus is the important site of formation of glycoproteins, glycosylation of proteins and glycolipids, glycoxidation of lipids. Root cap cells are rich in Golgi bodies which secrete mucilage for the lubrication of root tip. Acrosome of the sperm is modified Golgi apparatus. Formation of plasma membrane during cytokinesis. Let's talk about lysozymes. Lysozymes are simple, tiny, spherical sac-like structures evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. These are formed by the process of packaging in Golgi apparatus. They are bound by a single membrane. They are rich in hydrolytic enzymes, hydrolases, lipases, proteases, carbohydrates. optimally active at the acidic pH. These enzymes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. Acidic conditions are maintained inside the lysosomes by pumping of hydrogen ions into them. This organelle shows polymorphism. On the basis of morphology, their contents and functions, lysosomes are divided into following four forms: primary lysosomes, secondary lysosomes, residual bodies, autophagic vacuoles. Primary lysosomes. These are small vesicles like newly formed structures produced from the Golgi apparatus at transphase. Primary lysosomes contain inactive enzymes. Secondary lysosomes. These are also called heterophagosomes or digestive vacuoles. Secondary lysosomes are found when phagosomes fuse with already existing primary lysosomes. These contain the enzymes against the material to be digested. Residual bodies. These are the secondary lysosomes containing undigested substances. Residual bodies pass outwardly, come in contact with plasma lemma, and throw their contents to the outside through euphagy or exocytosis. Autophagic vacuoles. They are formed by the union of primary lysosomes around old or dead organelles, which surround them with the vacuolar membrane and digest them by autolysis or autodigestion. These are also called suicidal bags. The disappearance of larval organs during metamorphosis is due to autolysis. Example, tail in frog. Vacuoles. This is the fourth organelle we are discussing under endomembrane system. Vacuole is a membrane-bound space found in the cytoplasm. It contains water, sap, excretory products, and other material not useful for the cell. These are also called sap vacuoles. In plant cells, the vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of the volume of the cell. They are bounded by a single semi-permeable membrane called tonoplast. This membrane facilitates the transport of the number of ions and other materials against the concentration gradients onto the vacuole. Thus, the concentration is significantly higher in the vacuole than in the cytoplasm. Types of vacuole. Contractile vacuole. In amoeba, contractile vacuole helps in secretion, and whereas we can see food vacuoles and gas vacuoles. Let's talk about mitochondria. Mitochondria are cylindrical or sausage-shaped double membrane organelles distributed in the cytoplasm. They are not easily visible under microscope. Thus, they are stained by vital stain, Janus green, to make them visible for observation. Mitochondria show a great degree of variability in their shape, size, and number. Size. A typical mitochondrion is a sausage-shaped or cylindrical, having a diameter in range of 0.2 to 1.0 micrometer, average 0.5 micrometer, and length 1 to 4.1 micrometer. Their number also varies in different cell types depending upon the work done by the cell and its energy requirements. Structure. Mitochondria are surrounded by two membranes designated as outer and inner membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and forms a continuous limiting boundary of mitochondria, whereas the inner membrane forms a number of infoldings called the cisternae. Outer membrane is chemically 40% lipid and 60% proteins, and the inner membrane is relatively permeable membrane which has 80% protein and 20% lipids, and it is rich in cardiolipids. Due to the presence of two membranes, the organelle is partitioned in two distinct chambers filled with the aqueous fluid. Outer compartment or inner membrane space. It lies between the two mitochondrial membranes. It is also called perimitochondrial space. Inner compartment or matrix. It lies inside the inner membrane. The cristae are infoldings of inner membrane and are formed towards the matrix, which increase the surface area for enzyme action. The matrix contains single circular double-stranded DNA molecule, a few RNA molecules, 78 ribosomes, and the components required for the synthesis of proteins. The matrix also contains enzymes for the TCA cycle. The two membranes have their own specific enzymes associated with the mitochondrial function. The mitochondria divide by diffusion. The enzymes and electron carriers for formation of ATP are present only in the inner membrane of mitochondria. The cristae and the inner surface of the inner membrane is studded with the numerous spherical or knob-like protuberances called elementary particles or particles of Fernandez and Morgan, or F1 particles or oxysomes. Each oxysome is differentiated into base, stalk, and headpiece. The headpiece contains enzyme ATP synthetase, which brings about oxidative phosphorylation coupled with release of ATP.